Hello everyone. So here is the next question. So in this question we are asked that what this function is actually doing when it is called with the parameter or the argument 10 and 20. So when these 10 and 20 are passed, then we are doing some processing on this and we are printing the value of xy again. So these are the four options that are given to you. So first is saying that it will shift the bits of A and B and it will print 20, 20. Second is saying that this code will swap the value of x and y. That means now x will store 20 and y will store 10. Third says that it will simply print 10 and 20 as usual. Third statement says it will print simply 10 and 20. And last is like you do not know, only the God knows what is the answer. So I will start the timer and you can read the question and then you can see how this XOR operator is applied and what answer you are getting. So let me start the timer. So I hope you have got the answer. So the correct answer for this question is option B. That means this code is actually swapping the value or interchanging the value of x and y. So let's see. So here 10 will come inside x and 20 will be inside y. So now let's see how this bitwise XOR operator is applied. So x XOR y. Okay. So for that what you have to do? You have to first convert this 10 into bits and 20 into bits. Okay. So 10 will be this one and 20 will be this one. Okay. So let me put 0 here so that these are of same bits. Okay. If we apply XOR operator, what will be the answer? So you know, in case of XOR operator, if both the bits are different, then only I will get 1 as the answer. Otherwise, if both the bits are same, that is 0, 0 and 1, 1, then I will get 0 as the output. So here I will get 0, then 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so this bit pattern we are getting after applying XOR operator on 10 and 20. So if I convert this into decimal, what will be the answer? So here you should know that these are the positive number. So I can just use some extra bit also here. Okay, so I can just put 0 here because XOR of 0, 0 will be 0. So this is a positive number. So let's see what is the output we are getting. So it will be 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So it will be 30. Okay, so 30 is getting saved inside which variable? X. So x is now storing 30. Now let's see. Again we are applying XOR operator on x and y. So now x is 30. Okay, and y is same 20. So y is my same and let's convert this 30. So 30 is the same, this number. So it will be 0, then 4 ones and 0. So if I apply XOR operator again, I will get this. So what is this? This is actually 10. Okay, 10 in decimal. So here you can see 10 is getting saved inside y. So y is now storing 10. Okay. So now again we are applying this XOR operator on x and y. So currently x is 30 and y is 10. Okay. So let's apply the XOR operator after converting them into bits. So if we convert this answer into decimal, so this will be 20 in decimal. Okay. So 20 is getting saved where? Inside x. So here it will be 20. So now we can see inside x we are getting 20. Inside y we are getting 10. So here we can see originally x was storing 10 but now 10 is coming inside y. Similarly y was storing 20 but now x is storing this 20. That means both the values of x and y has been interchanged. Okay. So that's why this option B is correct. And if you apply the same operations or the same code on some another values, then also you will see that values will be swapped. Then also you will see that values of x and y will be interchanged. So this is one of the efficient way to actually interchange the values of two variables without using any third variable. Okay. So I hope you have understood the explanation, and if you have any comment or query, please write down into the comment box and do not forget to like and share this video. Okay. So now let's move to our next question.